AI filmmaking just leveled up. And when I say leveled up, I mean you can now create full movie-style cinematic shots in minutes, without complicated prompts, and without switching between multiple tools. And the best part? I did all of this completely free. And before we start, I want you to take a look on this short film I created in minutes. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I turned a simple idea into cinematic scenes using Flova AI, a new studio-style platform that combines the power of Nano Banana Pro, Sora, VO 3.1, and other insane AI models, all in one place. And listen, Flova is still in beta. Not everyone can access it right now, but don't worry, I'll show you how to get access, how to use it for free, and I also have a surprise, so stay with me and let's begin the tutorial. So the very first thing you need is your story, or at least the scenes you want to create. You don't need a perfect script, just a simple idea. Ask yourself what's happening, where does it take place, what's the mood, and who's involved. Once you have that, open Flova AI. Inside the prompt box, you can simply describe your story in plain language. Just write what the story should look like using normal words. Flova is smart enough to understand it and turn it into cinematic shots. Or you can take another approach. You can write short prompts for each scene and describe every scene separately. And that's exactly what I did. I used ChatGPT to generate a small, simple prompt, then pasted it into Flova. But honestly, I tested both methods, and they both work perfectly. After that, you can choose the models you want to use, or you can let Flova automatically select the best models for your project. As you can see, most of the newest and most powerful models are already available. For my setup, I chose Nano Banana Pro for image generation and Kling 2.6 for video animation. You also have Suno and Labs if you want voices or background music. Once everything is ready, just hit Generate. Flova will start analyzing your story, breaking it down moment by moment, and automatically building your storyboard. This is where the fun begins. At this stage, you can edit anything. You can remove scenes, add new ones, or move directly to the next step. Flova will then ask if you want to generate key elements. These are the elements that stay consistent throughout the whole story. In my case, that was the hunter, the dinosaur, and the gazelle. Just type 1 to confirm and Flova will generate them in seconds. Now here's something crazy. I actually forgot to specify who the hunter should be, so Flova generated a random character. But luckily, the AI assistant is incredibly smart and flexible. I simply uploaded my own photo and asked it to use this face for the hunter. And just like that, it generated a new image with me as the hunter. And it looked amazing. Now the character was consistent, realistic, and ready for the story. The next step is image generation. You can generate images one by one or generate all scenes at once. If you don't like a result, you can regenerate it, change the prompt, or even switch the model. Take your time here. Once every scene looks good, you're ready to animate. When animating, the same flexibility applies. If you don't like the animation, just click Edit, switch the model, adjust the prompt, and regenerate. And if you realize that the model you chose isn't perfect for your story, you can tell the AI assistant to change it at any time, and you're good to go. Once your visuals are ready, you can add music, voices, and final touches. You can choose between different music options or regenerate them. After that, you can assemble the videos and move to the timeline, where you can edit and export your final video. The editing inside Flova is minimalistic, which is great for speed. But if you want a more professional result, I recommend downloading the visuals and editing them in CapCut. There, you can speed up some clips, add clean cuts so the video flows better, apply effects and filters, and most importantly, add sound effects. CapCut already has everything you need. No need to go anywhere else. And just like that, your cinematic short film is ready, without complicated prompting or technical skills. You honestly can't find something simpler than this. Now, remember when I said Flova is still in beta? If you want to be among the first people to use it, you'll need either to join the waitlist or get an invite code. And here's the surprise. The Flova team gave me a special invite code to share with you. The first 500 people who use the code or the link in the description will get instant access. And not just access, you'll receive 1,000 credits right away, and that's $10 for free, plus 500 free credits every single week. On top of that, you can earn even more credits by joining their Discord or sharing the videos you create with Flova. So don't wait. Click the link, grab your free credits, and start creating cinematic shots today, while it's still free. What I also love about Flova is that it isn't just for cinematic stories. You can use it to create YouTube videos, promotions, short films, ads, or full storytelling content. Take a look at these other examples I created.
Perfection, engineered in silence. Waiting for a single command. The heart of the machine ignites. A symphony of precision-tuned power. Unleash breathtaking acceleration. Master the open road with unrivaled speed and agility, from hairpin turns to instant stops. Its superior handling and high-performance braking system respond to your every instinct. This isn't just performance. It's the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Your statement to the world.
Want to get six-pack abs fast? It all starts with activating your core muscles like a true superhero. Next, hanging leg raisers. Focus on a powerful, controlled lift to forge diamond-hard lower abs. Now, the one-arm plank. This builds incredible stability and carves out your obliques. Feel the burn. Unleash your obliques with bicycle crunches. Drive your opposite knee to your elbow and keep your core tight. For a rock-solid core, add Russian twists. Twist from your torso, not your arms, to maximize the effect. Combine these moves and you'll unlock your own superhuman core. Train hard, stay consistent.
As you can see, both are incredibly clean and high quality. The promotion looks professional and the video looks amazing. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to use the invite link and be one of the 500 people who try Flova for free. And of course, subscribe because the next video is going to be on fire.